legendary,
look at the shadows also.
Really enjoying it.
entertaining presentation,
And it's really improving my photography.
master photographer.
Hey everyone, I'm Tony Corbell, and I'm here this week teaching at the California Center for Digital Arts. Having a great week in Southern California. You know, it's funny, over the years I've kind of become known as a lighting guy, and I teach a lot of lighting workshops. I've written a lot of books about lighting, studio photography, lighting, outdoor lighting, lighting controls, and it's always fun to teach because everybody comes in at a different level. They all need something different out of the class, and it really makes me sort of have to be at the top of my game to be able to hit all of those different targets, you know, from the person that's got their first camera to someone that's an advanced pro who's been doing this 30 years. And so it's always a challenge, and it always makes me have to work for it a little bit sometimes. But we're having a great week here and having a really good time.